Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Xelsis Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to fix a leak and replace a hose coming out from the thermal blocks on the back of the machine. This is the older hose. There's some of the older parts as well, some of the screws as well. And right now we have the machine completely disassembled. In order for us to get to this hose that we replaced, we had to go through the other side underneath here. Let me just see. It's kind of hard to see it, but this is the hose that needed to be replaced. As you can see, it's super in there. You basically have to remove most of the entire brackets of the thermal block hose, the thermal blocks, and you have to remove the entire thermal block in here. It's so in there that it's super hard to kind of get you guys to see it, but it's really in there. You have to remove this, you have to remove the whole tire bracket, the whole two thermal blocks over here need to be pulled out. You also have to pull out the water pump, so it's a huge job, in other words, to replace this little hose. So we replaced this hose. As you can see, it was getting worn out in some parts here, as well as here, and there was another one, yeah, right here, as you can see there. So we replaced that, and we've been testing this machine for a bit, and we haven't got any leaks or anything like that. We also descaled this machine, gave it a tune-up, replaced the o-ring from the brew unit, replaced the valve as well, deep clean the spouts, these ones that you see here, and just give it good service. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test this machine. That way we're gonna test the entire system. We're gonna test the steamer, carafe. We're gonna be testing the spouts and the grinder, coffee, everything. Right now that the machine is getting hot, let's see if I can capture some of that. This is the steam thermal block, so the steam is coming out through here, going all the way here, going to the carafe, and as you can see in the carafe, got a nice steady stream coming out of the carafe itself. Excellent foam forming at the front of the cup, working excellent. Now the machine is going to the coffee. It's going to be using this thermal block, then the water pump will push water to the entire system, going through this ceramic valve, going through the valve that will replace after the ceramic valve, and then going to the brew unit, and then the spouts. So you can see, nice steady stream. Excellent color as well. Working excellent. Of course, no leaks on the back or anything. Hot water for this machine, as you can see. Nice steady stream coming out of the one. Looking great. And steam. As you can see, excellent pressure, excellent temperature. Crazy. So there you have it, the longest Saeco Xelsis Espresso machine working once again and not leaking. We replace this hose again and give this machine a tune-up. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.